In a time of uncertainty and global recession, some people lose their capital and savings, and some gain. Who will be a winner in this upheaval, and who will be a loser? Those who have the information that only a few people know about will be able to move ahead of the markets. Did you ever wonder if you could figure out the future before it happens? If you could use all the information in the world, especially the online world, to predict the future before it happens, or see a new trend or hot product before it becomes really popular, or find a stock or investment about to take off before everyone else. A few very smart people asked the same question about 8 years ago and started a project called the Internet Time Machine. It was a project designed to monitor everything that people were talking about from around the world, including blogs, forums, search engines, social media sites like Facebook and Twitter. You name it, they wanted to monitor it, dissect it, and find new trends, ideas, and topics that were just starting out. The Internet Time Machine project monitors 55 million sources every day to find out what people are looking for, talking about, or wanting to buy. But instead of just looking at demand or hot trends, the Internet Time Machine was designed around the basic equation in economics of supply and demand. It monitors ideas and phrases that are becoming popular in the world, like what people are talking about on their blogs or searching for on search engines, and then comparing those phrases to their organic or PPC results. So the Internet Time Machine doesn't just follow new trends, it looks for new trends and ideas with growing demand, but low supply, such as organic and PPC results on a search engine. That way, the system can find areas of interest with growing demand, with very little information and supply, and capitalize on it. The Internet Time Machine can help marketers, businesses, and industries stay on top of their customers' wants and needs before it is apparent to everyone else. But that wasn't the most exciting idea they discovered. By monitoring internet and search engines for sentiment and interest, the Internet Time Machine was able to see people talking about stock trades, investment ideas, and Forex trades before they happened. Before 2008, most investment advisors suggested a balanced portfolio of non-correlated asset classes. This meant that your investment portfolio would be divided up into stocks, bonds, commodities, and metals. That way, you could never really lose a lot of money in a down market, because as some asset classes went down, others would go up, and you could have a balanced portfolio with no major losses. All of that changed with the great financial collapse of 2008. All asset classes started moving together in their highest correlation ever. Stocks and bonds, which usually move in opposite directions, all moved down. The US dollar, oil, gold, just about everything all moved together, and it was down. There was nowhere to hide in 2008. Fast forward to this year, and asset classes are still highly correlated. A traditional balanced approach has not protected an investor from market risk or losses like it traditionally should have. When asset classes tend to move in unison, or they have a high correlation, it is called a herd mentality. This means many investors and advisors are just following the herd and chasing performance. They are all piling into trades that have been profitable and hoping the trade continues to work. This is a very important piece of information for the Internet Time Machine. When the Internet Time Machine software was used on financial data worldwide, including financial blogs, search engines, Facebook, and Twitter, it was able to find profitable Forex and stock trades just by watching what the herd was talking about and searching for, and basically placing a trade before the rest of the herd made the same trade. In essence, the Internet Time Machine finds profitable stock and Forex ideas based on what people were saying in financial blogs, search engines, what they were tweeting, and on Facebook. Since the market now moves as a big herd, you need to know where the herd is going first, and be the first to buy the stock that everyone is about to buy, or take the Forex position everyone is about to take. This new discovery was so startling that the Internet Time Machine developed new software called ITM Financial that just covers the stock market and Forex markets. looking for where the conversation is headed to next, and tells its user what to buy or what trade to make. So, you can predict the future, as long as you know what everyone is about to buy, sell, or hold. Until now, these types of advanced mathematics and algorithms have only been available to hedge funds and the proprietary trading desks of big Wall Street banks. You would need a team of programmers, math geniuses, and supercomputers to get this type of information at a cost of millions of dollars. In a short time, we're going to be showing the world this software, and if you're interested in this idea, you can be one of a few select people who see the software in action. And right now, we are only going to accept a limited number of applicants for this program. Enter your email below to be put on the list for possible testing. You'll receive a second email from us to confirm that the email address you entered is correct. Then click on the link provided in the email to confirm your spot in line. Enter your email below, and we'll send you more information shortly.